Hey guys, if you clicked on this video, you have an awesome science of thought because you understood the thumbnail correctly. Now, let's talk about the inflation. But what I want you to know right away is that it isn't terrible if you use it as an opportunity. You likely already know that during the period of high inflation, the money loses its value and the prices tend to go up since the value of goods stays the same. You may think, but why do money lose the value? Well, you see, sometimes there are more money, but the supply will be the same. So, following the logic, more money in the economy without value will only drive the prices up. The firms will try to make more products, but they will need more money for this. So, the prices will go up. There might be different reasons for the inflation to happen, but the simple rule to remember is that money is just an exchange of value, so everything has to be balanced, otherwise, there will be likely inflation. Yet, if it happens, you can still profit from this if you buy goods that people need and that are in demand. So, gold, oil, or soybeans may be a pretty good investment. I'm not suggesting you to go crazy and buy this as much as possible. This is more for you to understand, although commodities might be actually a good investment. Now, the goods that are everywhere and those that no one cares about are definitely not going to be an interesting investment. So, when inflation is high, prioritize buying the first category just because it will mean that you will have more money. If you want to invest into something during inflation, remember it does not have to be gold. It can be just a useful kitchen tool as well, but buy it only if you need it. Otherwise, it will just occupy space in your house. If you are thinking, how is that even a good investment, then you can just go on Amazon and look at the prices of some goods. Over time, you will see that they really just go up and up. So if you bought something and used it, it's a pretty good deal. This is at least because you will never have a chance to buy those items for the price that they used to sell for earlier. Now, in case you don't need anything, perhaps you are a minimalist or just have everything you need, then you should consider buying something online, such as books or courses or workshops. Get some education for the old price. That is also a great deal and a great investment because you will likely use those skills and that knowledge that you will get in the future to make more money or just develop yourself as a person. Alright guys, I hope this was useful. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.